Hey guys, want to know the 3 most important hacks to crack competitive examination? If yes, this video is for you. The first most important hack is revision. Revision. A student don't like it but can't avoid it. Revision is the golden step of success to crack any exam, and revision is a continuous process. It's not a one-time process. Next one, solving PYQs. Solving PYQs at least 3 times before your exam give you a minimum of 35 to 40% marks in any exam. Then the third one, online test series. Writing online test series make you to know your mistakes, time management, and to avoid negative marks. Now in Unacademy, 20% off and additional months benefit going on. Use our universal code KPCIVIL. Join now. Let's crack it.